friends, welcome to another video of Property Expert Academy. So for today I've got a question which is very much asked by many people these days. How they ask, like, Sumit, what would be the situation after coronavirus in the property market? I mean, where will the property market going to be? Of course, nobody has got a crystal ball to see like where it's going to go, when it's going to go up by 5%, 10%, go down by 8% or 7.5%. But certainly few things that is very much clear to all of us. If I'll ask any investor, let's say if I will do a reverse of our time, if I'll reverse the timing and go back to 2008, 2009, the last recession, how many would you like to buy the property? Everyone will say yes, right? Because at that time, if you will notice, they have the situation that many investors were selling property in 2008 and 2009. Unless there was like educated, the people who were educated and very smart people, we have also worked with them. They were the one who were buying. Many other investors were even selling it because they could not see where the market going. So another thing is, one thing we need to, always remember, the real estate market always grow in the long run. So if you are a short-term investor, then that's a different thing. But of course, in a long term, what I'm saying is definitely going to work. So this is the best time, as the Warren Buffett said, that be fearful when everybody is greedy and be greedy when everyone else is fearful. So this is the best time to buy, when a lot of things has come now where the investors, like the people who are not educated or like not professional investors, they might probably like to downgrade, or they might probably dispose of some of the property. There may be many deals that you can structure these days that can help you to build your property portfolio much quicker than ever before. So use this opportunity, to build your property portfolio. There are many strategies that you can use in this special time, where things are so uncertain, the Brexit is happening, and the coronavirus situation is going on. So we do like various trainings, and also we have a property investor meetup last Saturday of every month. So you can join us there and see the like-minded people, interact with them, do a networking, see what are the deals that you have or what are the deals that they have that you can work with them. So I hope you liked this video, and do share this video with all your connections and contacts. And if you are first time on this channel, please do hit the subscribe button and like this video. Leave your comments. What would you like me to speak on the next time? So I'll be more than happy to cover that in my next video. Invest in education. Invest like a pro. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.